All right, students, so here's going to be our example that will work inside this quizzes of the Labrador Retrievers. And so I'll go back to these letters that I'm using. So big E, the masking is off, and little e, the masking is on. So this tells you again, just to state again, this means that it has to be epistasis recessive, because for the masking to be on, we'd have to have two little e's, and that's the only way we would have the yellow lab as we had it. So remember, so the masking on in our Labrador Retrievers would make yellow labs, and so I'll put that in parentheses for us. But you just have to be careful how they give it the example. So there are some other examples, and we'll see some other examples after this, but this is our Labrador Retriever. Big B will be that black gene for black fur, or the nose and the pads of the paws, and little b will be our chocolate or our brown. So here's our original dogs that we're breeding. Technically, neither one of these is a purebred dog. And so there's going to be the offspring, or the initial parent. So big E, big A, or little a, and then big E, big A, little a. And so again, I've set up the Punnett square for you here. I think that if you're to this point, you're proficient in doing that. And so I'll be honest, when you work this, maybe you just want to write in here what the coloration is going to be. So I will show you eventually. I will show you the answer key to this. So, and I'll just have different colors inside of here that we'll have for the possible offspring. So work the squares, and then come back. There'll be a couple questions to answer, and see how well you do. All right, thanks for watching. Then I will also post this on the next slide so you can see it nice and big.